possible. And in a case like this, nothing yet is telling me to exit my trades. However, again, much like the Forex weekly outlook, I did identify, again, I'm going to draw another line right here, and we can see this come across, which makes me a little nervous because we've got some resistance up here, just around this 155 area. But again, what we want to do here now is identify our critical level of support, 151.26, 152.29, and 152.78, with a close of 152.30. So we've managed to sneak below the 3-day and the 8-day, but our 18-day predicted moving average, if you remember last week, I had said last week that as long as it stays above 150, only a sustained break of 150 will take the pressure off the top side. We dipped down as low as 146.90, only for it to shoot out of there like a cannon and hit the 154 mark. So we were buying on dips. The rest of the market was getting into shorts. Vantage Point at no time recommended a short on the British pound or the British pound US dollar currency pair. So with that said, 151.26 remains the critical level now. Last week it was the 150 area. Now our Vantage Point software is calculating 151.26 as the critical level. So let's go into our daily report. We've identified that we want to buy this. We're a little bit overbought. We've got some mixed signals on it. But again, the US dollar index and all of the other indicators that I had talked about in that Forex weekly outlook suggest that the British pound US dollar is going to extend higher after a corrective move lower. So identifying our area for tomorrow, 151.74, 153.21, neural index is down. So with the neural index down, our medium and long-term differences are still pointing higher. Our short-term indicators suggest that the British pound, it was extremely overbought from last week. It's going to work some of this off, and then those buyers are going to move right back into the market. So 151.74 is a key level for us to watch tomorrow. All our stops in this particular case should really be down around the 150.50 area just to stay out of that broker radar, because the market is a little bit long the British pound dollar right now. So again, we don't want to get stopped out, so it's better to have the stops a little bit, 50-70 pips below this key level of 151.26, so we don't get tagged by those brokers running stops. So those are the market positions for July the 20th, 2010. And again, my name is Greg Furman, market analyst here at TraderPlanet.com.